Hello everyone, now I am going to show you how to interface digital input in RDL data logger and upload the data through the cloud via 4G connectivity. First, let us see connection diagram. Proximity sensor is connected to a data logger. Here, black wire is a data output, which is connected to digital input of the data logger channel 0. And blue wire is made common to data logger digital input and ground. The data logger and the sensor are supplied with 12 to 24 volts power supply. Now click on RDL Industrial Data Logger Configuration Manager software. Here, select COM port and click on Open. Use the default password RDL123 during login. Next, in I/O settings, select the digital input options by clicking Read button and then Save button. Click on Digital Input from the top bar menu. Here, select Checkbox to save the data to the SD card, and then click on Save button. Here, click on Read and select Digital Input and then Save. Here you get tag names for each channel. You can change the names as per your needs. Select the checkbox to enable or disable each channel. Here I am selecting channel 1. In this data will logged only when input channel status changed. And click on Save button. Now we will push the data to the cloud using JSON through 4G communication media. Click on Wi-Fi/GPRS/4G/LTE in the sidebar menu. And in this communication media, select 4G per LTE by clicking on Read and then Save. In this initial setting is to set the APN. Here click on APN and then click on Read button and set your SIM card APN. Here I am setting Airtel SIM APN and click on Save. So now 4G is enabled. Next, in JSON protocol, here select JSON and click on this JSON section and select the profile type, then click on this Read and provide the JSON URL. Here now, I am giving our JSON URL. And then save it. Now you can see the data in the Analyze screen, and also you can see the data at the broker end as shown. This is how proximity sensors work.
RDL Technologies.
Connected Intelligence.